Every one of these images on the left is supposed to be the same character. Different face shape, different nose, different person. And if you've ever tried to build a consistent AI character for a comic, a story, a brand, anything, you know exactly how maddening this is. But look at the right side. Same character, different scene, different lighting, different emotion, still clearly the same person. Every single one of those was generated with Nano Banana 2 using the exact 3-step workflow I'm going to give you today. No Photoshop, no retouching. Just the right approach. Welcome to Click AI, let's fix this properly. Here's what most people do. They describe their character in basic terms. Young woman, brown hair, blue eyes, hit generate, and then do it again. And they get 4 completely different people. Because here's what the AI is actually doing. It hears brown hair, blue eyes, and generates a statistically average version of that description. Every single time. There's no memory, no continuity. It's starting from scratch with each generation and arriving somewhere slightly different every time. The people getting flawlessly consistent characters aren't using a different model. They're using 3 techniques that almost nobody teaches properly. Today, you're getting all 3 with the actual prompts. Quick bit of context on why Nano Banana 2 specifically is the right tool for this problem. Most AI image models are stateless. Every generation is a clean slate, zero memory of what came before. Nano Banana 2 works differently. It uses what's called an identity latent mechanism. When you upload a reference image, Nano Banana 2 doesn't just look at it, it mathematically maps the facial markers, jawline angles, eye spacing, bone structure. It creates a compressed fingerprint of your character. That fingerprint then anchors every image you generate. Instead of guessing what your character looks like, Nano Banana 2 is starting from a mathematical identity. And in Google Flow, this whole workflow is built right into the interface. Let me show you exactly how it works. Before you generate anything, you need a character reference sheet. A single image showing your character from 3 angles. Front on, 4-5, degree profile, and full side profile. The reason 3 angles matters. If you only give Nano Banana 2 a front-facing photo, it only knows what your character looks like from the front. When you generate a side-angle scene, it has to guess, and that's where drift happens. 3 angles gives it a complete 3D understanding of the face. Here's the exact prompt. I'm going to type it, and you can find it in the description below. There's our character, 3 angles, clean, even lighting, that's our anchor. 2 rules for your reference images. Keep them at 1024 x 1024. Make sure the face has even lighting, no harsh shadows, because Nano Banana 2 will read a shadow as a permanent facial feature. And don't use images where the character is wearing glasses or has hair covering their face. The sweet spot for references is 4 to 6 images. Research from Google's own testing shows that going above 6 actually degrades consistency. Nano Banana 2 starts averaging out conflicting details. Less is more. This is the technique most tutorials skip, and it might be more important than the reference images. Trait locking means you choose a set of very specific words for your character and you use those exact words verbatim in every single prompt you write. Green eyes is vague. Nano Banana 2 interprets that differently every time. Sharp emerald green almond shaped eyes is locked. It's specific enough that there's only one way to read it. Write your trait locked description out once, then copy paste it into every single prompt from here on. 2 anchors working together. The reference image plus the matching text tokens. That combination is what makes consistency reliable. Step 3 is the actual workflow, and it's simpler than you'd think. Start a new session, upload your reference sheet, write your full character description in the very first prompt, all the trait tokens, all the physical detail. This first generation sets the character in Nano Banana 2 session memory. After that, every follow-up prompt only needs the action and the environment plus your trait tokens briefly to reinforce the anchor. Watch what happens. Same woman, same scar, same eyes, same hair, different city, different mood. That's the system working. Let's actually stress test this. I'm going to generate the same character across 3 completely different scenes, different environments, different emotions, different lighting conditions, and we'll see if the face holds up.
Look at that scar. Same placement, same eyes. She's running through Tokyo and she's unmistakably our character. Different world, different emotional register, same person. Three scenes, 3 different emotional extremes, 1 consistent character throughout.
Right, let's show what Nano Banana 2 can actually do when you write precise prompts. These are unedited generations. What you see is what came out.
For completely different styles, one model, no Photoshop, just well-structured prompts.
No.
Three things that will break your consistency. Mistake 1. Change in trait tokens. If you wrote sharp emerald green almond shape eyes in prompt 1, don't write bright green eyes in prompt 2. Exact words every time. Put your trait list and stick to it. Mistake 2. Too many reference images. The sweet spot is 4 to 6. Past 6, Nano Banana 2 starts every region out, conflicting details, and the fingerprint blurs. More is not better. Mistake 3. Starting a new session mid-project. Each session has its own memory. Close the tab and you lose the context. Keep your work in one session and always save your reference sheet and trait token document so you can reboot fast. Right, here's everything you got today. 3-step system reference sheet with triangles, trait login with exact tokens, session workflow that keeps Nano Banana 2 anchored to your character, 4 to 6 reference images maximum, same session throughout. If this video was useful, hit subscribe, it genuinely helps this channel. I'm releasing AI tutorials every week. I'm leaving a Drive link to the description for all the prompts I use in this video. Drop a comment and tell me what character you are going to put. I genuinely want to see what you create. See you in the next one.